Okay guys, so hello, and this will be a short video. So I just wanted to say that I have finally 1001 subscribers, and to to celebrate, I will make an Q&A. So oh wait guys, give me a second. It's not it's not responding. I don't know why. Okay, never mind. Basically, we will have a Q&A. So this video will be a Q&A section, like video, where you can ask me questions in the comments, and I will reply them. I will answer them in the next video. So I'll try to answer them. I don't know, maybe on Wednesday or on Friday, but we'll see if there will be any questions, even because there's not much comments under my videos, and maybe there will be no questions. So if that happens, I will just not make the video. So thank you guys for subscribing, and yeah guys, I hope you'll stay with me because I have a lot of plans in the future, for the future. So thank you, have a nice day guys, and goodbye for now.